What's up, carnivores? Zach here with American Smoke, and in today's barbecue tutorial, we're getting into how to split a chicken. How y'all like my new Drip EZ pan cutting board that I'm using here? This thing's awesome. All you're gonna do is collapse this pan down a little bit to where you can get to your chicken. So when you're cutting a chicken, basically all you're doing is just splitting it down the middle, but I know that if you've never done it, it can be sort of intimidating. What you wanna do is you wanna flip it over to the back side where you'll find like the tail and the neck. If you come over to this side, this is gonna be your big breast meat through here. But all you're gonna do is just sort of locate your spine. And to make things a little bit easier, what I like to do is I like to just score it a little bit right down the spine, just like that. Just that way you've got a clear line to cut. And if you want to, you can just go in and cut this with your knife, or you can do what I like to do and just get out a pair of meat shears and just go right down through here like this, all the way down. And it just kind of greatly reduces your risk of cutting yourself, so I recommend it. So we've got that out. All we got to do now is just sort of open it up a little bit. And while we've got it open and sitting here, we're going to clean it up a little bit. At this point in time, if you say, hey, maybe I don't want to split this chicken, well, guess what? You can spatchcock the chicken. This is the process of spatchcocking it right here. You would just score and press down. But for the purposes of this video today, we're just cleaning this up a little bit, getting rid of some of this excess fat and skin. That's just going to be tough. That, flip it around, see if there's anything on this end that we need to clean up. Yeah, there's always a ton of just loose skin down here that I always cut off. Nobody wants that. And that's pretty much it for that. Then you can come in from this side if you like. This is a lot easier than splitting a turkey. You can just sort of cut that like that right there and split it that way. Or if you want to, you can come around backside, find the center of your breastbone, and just go in that way. Make sure you've got a nice sharp knife. The great thing about this Drip EZ tub is that the bottom of it is a cutting board, so you don't have to worry about ruining your tub or anything like that. And then all you've got to do is just sort of pull your skin back in and around, fold your legs back over to allow that skin to come back around. You can always go in and check and see if there's anything else that you want to clean up. This looks pretty good. So if you was to do it like this, it would pull the skin back, but you can always lay that leg back over towards the breasts, exposing your thigh, and you can pull that skin back down and around the chicken, lay it out, season it, and you're ready to go into the smoke. I hope that answered all of your questions about how to split a chicken. It's super easy once you've done it. It can be intimidating if you've never done it, but that's pretty much all there is to it. If I didn't answer any questions that you might have, just let me know in the comments below and I'll make sure and clear anything up. If you want to know how I smoke this chicken, I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video. Click that and you can see how we perfect this bird the rest of the way to the dinner table. Thanks for watching, smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.